It's
yours.
madhouse in here. Laverne.
Cinca.
Laverne, honey, this one's yours. This one's yours. It's from
Cinca.
Austin. It's from Austin.
Now, you got to give them to me all at once.
Oh, okay, here.
Cinca. Here.
Go. Get it out of there. Get it out of there, buddy.
Here they are. Open it. Here, you got to get a picture of Cinca. Open it. Oh, you don't know how to open it?
Help him. I should go. Where's Sagey?
Sage took hers and ran.
She took hers and ran away.
Can we hear the
Oh my God, they're making a mess, honey.
Oh, you're kidding me. Who could have foreseen this happening? Sage is over there. No, Sage is over here.
Okay.
Hurry, she's almost got that. Get her.
How was your Christmas cookie, sweetie? Oh, she's like, no, I'm out of here. Annie's coming back in for a kill.
My God, they're making a mess.
Stop it. Did Koa finishes?
Yes.
Yes, he did. Good boy, Koa.
Ready, here.
Such a good boy. All right, now we got to give him